Hello guys, in this episode of Design Highlight, we'll take a look at Steve G, concept artist from Los Angeles. And I very much like the mechs right here, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Alright guys, I think this is a very cool mech design, and we got two little variants here. So first of all, I have to point out the very nice variety of renders. We got this kind of group render, got this kind of zoom in shot where it's kind of emerging from the hangar, ready for action. This is like a more, either this is hand drawn or it's like a 2D style render. Very nice little spin. And so guys, I just think this is a very cool shape, very cool silhouette. Very much like the bold cylindrical shapes used here. I just really like this mech design. It's got like nice simple shapes here. It doesn't have overly complex shapes. There's some really good detail here. Like it's got some very nice solid core shapes that really go together very well. It looks nice and chunky, just the way I like it. Colorful, unique. Definitely stands out from other mech designs. And we got this nice little variant right here as well. And so I just kind of like the fact that it has two pairs of arms as well. It's got like the big arm type things, and it got like smaller arms here. I think it's very interesting as well. Here the big arms are kind of like missing, we just got the small ones here. There's like a smaller guard variant. Next we got this Mars ape-like robot. Got this nice animated intro with the lights slowly turning on. Next this was made with Blender. A little bit of Models Designer. I guess there's some cloth elements here. So guys, this is a very nice, beefy, ape-like robot. And I very much like it. Now once again, these are the kind of mechs that I like. Big, beefy, colorful. Interesting shapes. Large, bulky shapes. Next we got looks like a 2D artwork, off-road missile launcher, an oil refinery. Very much like the colors and shapes used here. Almost looks like it's something you'd see in an Overwatch, with the color scheme and the stylization, the shapes. We got a nice military dune buggy. Now once again, very nice shapes here. Very much like it's like general curved shape and form. A nice little science fiction fuel truck. Inspired by a real life fuel truck right here. So, very nice to be able to take real life objects and kind of exaggerate them. And I very much like this color scheme variation as well. We've got a nice Mars colony robot for labor. A high-speed unmanned VTOL. Oh, nice little animation here. I like the collapsing wings. Very nice sleek renders with some very nice attention to details. A nice drone tank concept. A nice stealth drone. Very much like the shapes used here. Very much like its general silhouette. And last but not least, this Tachycoma concept from Ghost in the Shell. One of the favorite things for hard surface artists to make is that little spider thing from Ghost in the Shell. And it looks like Steve has his unique take on it as well. Just a very nice placement of details here. Not too much, not too little. Just enough to spice things up. And some very nice kind of a organic, I'm assuming it's polygon modeling here. Alright guys, that is Steve G. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.